picked up. Like, check. Alright, there we go, there we go. Alright, what's good, chat? I ain't go live in a while. I'm start going live again, bro. I feel like I ain't go live in forever. Once upon a time, I used to go live every day. It's been long, though. I'm so unprepared right now, not gonna cap. Like, hella unprepared. Alright, let's. Never mind. I ain't even finished that moving shit. I'll give it 1 second, bro. Let's turn this off. Hey, can I be? This is how I feel. Alright, there we go. Just actually boost my chair a little bit. There we go. Alright, let me share the live real quick. This is my song though, bro. Okay. Wish I could play music on YouTube like I used to, bro, back in the day, bro. Too bad they gonna copyright my shit. Copy. Send us in the Discord. My camera look crooked looking. Let's redo this chart. We're gonna redo this one as well. So let's get these out my favorites. We're gonna redo this as well. We're gonna redo this as well. Oh my god, this was so fucking nice. This was today? Damn, I'm mad I missed this. This was clean as fuck. This was yesterday, right? Yes, this was yesterday. Ugh. Let's start here. Hold on real quick, I gotta make a phone call, man. Alright, so we gonna start. Let's start. Let's start here on GJ. I know how I like to do my breakdowns. Daily time frame first. Daily overall bearish below this lower high here. Daily sell. So we just got a daily market structure shift. So daily going bullish now. So we wicked above this area. So meaning we broke out the previous daily lower high, going bullish. Then I want to see this bullish structure. Look at this bullish structure. We have higher high, higher low, higher high, low. So I want to use this point here. So we're gonna switch this to daily buys because now our daily had this shifter structure here where we just started to go bullish. The time frame, go to the 4-hour. Looking on the 4-hour, we were bearish here, we went bullish. Now we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. So 4-hour is bullish above this area. 4-hour buys, 1 hour. Let's get into the 1 hour. Where we were bearish here, we had a shifter structure here to go back bullish. We have a higher high, higher low. I want to say here, but I want to use my EMA as added confluence. So I wanted to see how aggressive this EMA is. So higher highs and higher lows here. We're gonna use this for our 1 hour. 1 hour buys above. That was initially this break and retest here. And let's see how this looking left at this rejections. So you got some clean rejections here. Clean rejections here. I like this overall level. Let's look at it on the 4-hour. This is a nice 4-hour level as well. I definitely like the level overall. So for buys on GJ, I need to pull back into this area to continue higher. That's be one trade idea. Or off of this hourly fib. Make this a fib level. So I can either buy here or buy here. Let's look left off of this level of support as well to see how this actually plays out as a level of support, how strong this actual level is. So we got this level of support. We have support here, resistance here, resistance here. We have some nice projections in this area, so this I definitely like this area. So we can either take buys off of this area or buys off of this area. I like GJ. I like GJ. Well, let me make sure everything, all the links in my description work actually. Free Discord. Does this link work? So my Discord links work, yes. VIP signals, that link works as well. And Instagram. Okay, all my links work. Let's go. I'm gonna alter that. This for educational purpose only to show people my perspective on the forex markets. I am not responsible for any losses or gains or any trades taken by anyone other than myself. Support the stream. Okay, everything's cool over there. So let's copy this, set it in the Discord. If you're not in the Discord, link down in the description to join my free Discord. How many pairs do you trade? I'll get into that in a second. If you're not in my free Discord, join my free Discord, link down in the description. Inside my free Discord, I send all my trade breakdowns before, like my top 3 trades ideas, like for London and New York session or on the day. And then I call a free trade at least once a week, sometimes twice a week, depending on how my week is going. But this is GJ breakdown. And we're going to send my this GJ trade. All right, back here. Oh, so on my watch list you see here, I trade. Let me rephrase that. I don't trade all of these pairs. I'm open to trading all of these pairs. There's some pairs inside this list that I haven't traded at all yet, like AUDCHF. I never took a trade on AUDCHF. Actually, that's the only one I haven't took a trade on. But how I do my watch list is I break down all of these pairs as you can see here, and then I list them. I sort them from like highest probability setups to lowest probability setups. That way, every day I'm taking a high probability setup and not settling for a low probability setup, expecting that quote unquote low probability setup is the trade of the day. So my main pairs, like the pairs I trade the most, is gold, GJ, and GU. Those are my favorite 3, I would say. But if those 3 pairs aren't looking the cleanest or looking the best or like have the best probability in my opinion based off of like the market conditions or whether it's ranging or if it's trending, things of that nature, then I go to my secondary pairs. My secondary pairs would just be USD JPY, USD CAD, AUD USD, Euro USD, and NZD USD, and AUD CHF. So I basically just rank my pair. After I do my breakdowns on all of them, and then I rank them like which ones I think is the highest quality, and I only watch those for that specific day. So far today, I think GA is a very high quality setup to sell off of this potential rejection in this area. So that's why you see this one separate from all the other ones, because this is the one of the ones that I think is high quality. I don't even know if I sent this to this Discord yet. Did I? Okay, I did. I sent that right there. I like GJ, so we're gonna add GJ up into this category as well. Hopefully that makes sense. I know a lot of like YouTubers promote focusing on one pair and trading just one pair every day. But the problem with trading one pair every day, I think, is you will find yourself taking bad setups or low quality setups just because you expect that that's going to be the move for the day, whatever. So what I did was, instead of focusing on trading one specific pair, I trade the same strategy on every pair you see in my watch list, and I focus on the quality of the trade, not just the quality of the trade, and not just being in a trade like that. Let's look at UCAD now. Turn the EMA off. UCAD, start off on the daily time frame, same thing we did before. Looking at the daily buys, daily is overall bearish. We know the daily is bearish because we were creating higher highs and higher lows here. As you can see, we had this new high all the way up here. Price eventually pushed down and took out this higher low to go bearish. The push down that created this market structure shift to go actually bearish started up here. So technically the daily is still bearish as long as we stay below this high all the way up here. As long as we stay below this wick. So I'm going to label this daily sales, meaning as long as the price stays below this area according to the daily time frame, I strictly should be looking for selling opportunities. Not only that, I think we are in a decent discount, well, premium to sell. As you can see, if I use my Fib tool, drive it from the highest point of the push to the lowest point of the push, we have a rejection off of this Fibonacci golden zone. So this is a nice level to take sales off of. So we had a daily Fib level. That is nice. Trading in this area, in a nutshell, anywhere in this area, trading in this area, like say, even if I trade here, like at current price, this is a big move. Because this is a daily reaction. So we could catch some big plays here on UCAD. That's the daily time frame. Let's look at the 4 hour. Let's delete the Fib as well. I don't want to have too many lines on my chart. I don't want to confuse anybody. Looking at the 4 hour time frame, we were bullish. As you can see, we have a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Then price eventually gave it a big drop here. This big drop here took out these higher lows to the left hand side, creating that market structure shift to go bearish. Once we started to go bearish, we have lower low, lower high, lower low. Boom, then we had another shift going back into bullish structure as we had another market structure shift here. And then we have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. Shift going back into bearish structure. So looking at all this information here, we are currently bearish. We were bullish here. We were bullish here. Then we went bearish. Then we went back bullish. Now we're going back bearish. Looking at this price action, you have a lower low, lower high, and lower low. Price never pulled back yet. So this is the most recent lower high on the 4 hour time frame. So technically on the 4 hour, we should strictly be looking for selling opportunities. 4 hour sales. So as long as price stay below that horizontal line overall, I strictly want to be looking for selling opportunities. Now let's drop that to the 1 hour time frame to get an idea of 1 hour structure. Same, higher high, higher low, higher high. Shifting structure here to go bearish. Aggressive push down, give me a lower low, lower high, and lower low. But 1 hour is bearish here. So we could do 1 hour sales below this area. Now we're more relevant to current price. So the daily is bearish, 4 hours bearish, 1 hour is bearish. I don't want to take buys nowhere in price. I'm not looking for no buy opportunities, strictly looking for opportunities to sell or areas where I could potentially capitalize on sales. So looking at this, we have a level of support here that's getting rejected. We have no quarters below this level. And we have a level of resistance here, creating this 1 hour range. So let's look left to see how this range plays out to the left hand side. So as you can see, we have more rejections over here, show me that this is a valid level. I could even draw out this level if I want. And then we have more rejections down here to the downside. for this support. Rejection here, big rejection wick, and a bearish fake out. So I like the overall range. Buying above this area is definitely counter trend to the higher time frame. The 1 hour will be bullish above this area, so you can take short term buys above here, but it's less probable because it's counter trend to the overall 4 hour daily overall being bearish. So buying above this area would just be buying the 4 hour retracement. So if the 4 hour does retrace here, we can use our fib drawing from the high to the low and look to take sells inside this Fibonacci retracement area based off of a 4 hour fib level, which also lines up with the 4 hour previous low to the left hand side right over here as a level of support. And as you can see, looking at this overall level, we have support, rejection, resistance, rejection, support, rejection here. So this is a strong, very strong level. So I definitely like sells in this area, but that's definitely not going to happen today. So I'm not going to put this in my top 3, but I'm going to definitely leave this up here to take sells in this area. So this is a fib level. We're going to make sure I annotate and put 4 hour, just to make sure I know that this is a 4 hour fib, not like a 1 hour or a lower time frame fib level. So either that, if the price decides to trace on a 4 hour time frame and pull back into this area, that'll be a potential sell idea. If it doesn't give me this full on pullback and just price starts to push back down based off of this 4 hour bearish engulfing here, and 1 hour decides it wants to continue down, we can look to take sells as a break out of this range. We could trade inside the range because, as you can see, we are setting up for a fib play inside the range. As you can see, start the fib, draw it from the highest point to the lowest point of this overall bearish push on a 1 hour time frame. We have this 1 hour fib. And looking at the structure that formed on this fib, don't have any too much structure. We just have an aggressive push, so not too much structure in the 5 minute time frame. But that's a possibility as well. But I actually don't want to take this because I don't want to sell right into a support. I'd rather break below the support first, then sell off. And I'm going to do the same exact thing for the rest of these pairs. See, looking on a daily bearish lower low, lower high, lower low. We're in a daily retracement of a bearish move. We're gonna label this daily sales. Very simple. And we broke below previous daily low and give us a retest in that area for some sales. Let's go to the 4 hour. Look on the 4 hour. Let's say we're going bullish here. We're creating lower lows, lower highs here. We had a shit structure to go bullish. Have a higher high, higher low, a new higher high. Overall, 4 hour bullish above this area. Very simple. Go down to the 1 hour time frame. Do the exact same thing. 1 hour, we're overall bullish, creating higher highs and higher lows. We have an aggressive high up here. The start of this push started all the way down here. So we're going to mark this off as my 1 hour structural point, and 1 hour buys above this area. My 1 hour buy, my 1 hour is bullish, 4 hours bullish, but my daily is bearish, right? So I want to take sells. I want to take buys more than sells. Now you might be wondering why do I want to take buys more than sells if my daily is bearish? Because 4 hour and 1 hour are all bullish. So if the daily is in a retracement, and the 4 hour and 1 hour are both bullish, for short term, I want to be buying with the overall, well, with the time frames that's telling me to go the same direction. If I have 2 time frames telling me to buy and 1 telling me to sell, I'm going to buy. Be more open to taking buys because it's 2 to 1. It's very self-explanatory. So where can I possibly take buys? So look at this 1 hour time frame. We had a break above this structured high here. Either we could use it like that, or we could do it like this. Either way, I like it. So we can wait till we get a pullback into this area to go long, or we could use a 1 hour fib from this start of this push to this high and wait for a fib rejection in this area. Very simple. Then below this area we have this level of supports, and below this support we have support all the way down here. If I want to sell, if I end up selling, it won't be nowhere up here. Sales will be all the way down here, because this is where the 4 hour shift in structure being in confluence with the daily time frame. And below this area, the 1 hour definitely should be bearish as well. So this is where I want to sell at. Other than that, strictly looking for buys. And then we could have targets off of this level here, or this level up here. I like EJ. Let's get into gold though, because I really want to trade gold. Gold gave me the breakout that I wanted. Let's go to gold daily. Overall, aggressively bullish above this area. Daily buys. Go to the 4 hour. Get at the 4 hours. I'm just gonna use this level here. 4 hour buys. We're gonna go higher high, higher low, higher high. Get down to the 1 hour time frame. From 1 hour is aggressively bullish as well. This 4 hour level lines up with a 1 hour level as well. This is the same level. Same higher low level, I'd like to say. So we're gonna use this overall level as the bottom of the range. So I simply just want to see a pullback into this area to go long, or a fib retracement off of this level. Lines up perfectly, almost perfectly. Oh, wrong thing. This is a fib. So I just want to see gold give me a pullback down to here before I look to take some buys and trade within this new range. I said I didn't want to take this, so we could just delete that off the chart. I don't want to have it on my chart if I said I wasn't going to take it anyways. These three looking good so far. This is the most recent one, as like the one that I'm going to get execution on first. Let's go to Forex Factory, see if we have any news, because we coming into the New York session. So 8:30 got some CAD news. Don't really care about that. USD pretty clear day. So, oh wait, I'm trading GA. Let's look for GA news. All right, CAD, USD, AED, JPY. Okay, so we good. Now that price is tapping to the level that I wanted to tap into. I want to see the structure that happened on this push up. We all gotta leave someday, and that's the scariest thing. Yeah. So I like sales below this low. Now that we tap into this level, I like to take some sales below here. We can do 30 pip stop loss above the highs. And have a 30 pip TP1. Something like this. Wish I could play the music for y'all in the chat, because I'm really jamming right now. It'll be okay, it's gonna be fine. I don't like this level at all. So let's just wait for his market structure shift on this 5-minute time frame. Low key, the structure shift will be here. I don't want to be too aggressive. I'll be a little bit more patient, wait for that 4-hourly flip. Because this is the flip of the current hourly candle. If this currently hourly candlestick closed bullish, the next hourly candle creates a top wick, respect the previous hourly candle high, flips to break the previous hourly candlestick low, create that bearish engulfing closing bearish, then we should see price drop down. So I'd rather wait for that to actually happen than to get an entry right over here, getting a better entry, but without that hourly candle actually breaking its own low to drive down. Because they could just flip bearish and then go back, flip bullish and continue. Or next hourly candle could create a top wick or create a bottom wick and get me triggered into this position. And then overall flip and break the other candlestick high without breaking the previous candlestick low. So ideally I want to get in when this hourly candle low gets broken at the same time at this shift in structure here. That's the plan. Now we just gotta let it play out. Then we got TP1, TP2. But low key, overall, want to target this low down here. Either one of these two lows. I don't like the level. This level is distracting me. So we're just going to focus on these two. Either this low or this low to target. Let's change the green candle. I want to change the green candles to pink, low key. Pink and gray? Let's try pink and gray. Oh yeah, I fuck with this. Oh yeah, I fuck with this. Have a charge up. Where my bottle of water go? Get a bottle of water. Told you that. I told you I love you. We tell the shit together when we come. This how you replace it? Yeah. Oh. Oh shit. Let me change the title, bro. I think we can keep that title. So I'm gonna actually show that account. We can actually show this account. Can't show my other accounts though. Are you in GJ sales? Not yet. I'm waiting for a shift in this structure here, and the hourly to flip and break its own low. Not yet. I'm looking to get in below this area. You from you from NLT server? Yes sir, yes sir. Yeah. I think it's my first time seeing you in the chat. I just guess, to be honest. Most of the people that come to my lives from the on YouTube be like from NLT server, to be honest. You on my Discord as well? I'm low key more active in my Discord than I am in. I've watched it before. Oh shit. I ain't know that. I ain't know that. But didn't comment. Okay, okay. I got you. What I say? The name don't look familiar. So I was just about to say, was you lurking? I hate how you can't play music on YouTube no more, bro. When I used to live trade, I used to be able to listen to music and stuff. But now they just copyright it every fucking time. Now it's like awkwardly quiet for you. I probably use. I'm listening to music right now, but it's definitely probably awkwardly quiet for you right now. Refuse to check. Refuse to lift check the check NLT. Okay, bad. Wait, oh yeah, I seen that name. I seen that name in the server. Okay. I'm on a 4-win streak right now, so let's see if I can continue the win streak. The position I had yesterday was nasty. Nasty good. This is my trade from yesterday, bro. Nasty good. Actually, let's pull it up. Can I open it? Hello? It was this trade here. TP1. And then TP2. Next thing you know, runner just start cooking. That trade is fire. That was some gas. I trade a lot of yesterday in gold. GJ gold. Okay, bad. Yeah, I like gold too, but gold just been gold is tough to trade right now. The reason why gold's tough to trade right now is because it's so high in price. Like we are at 3K. This is definitely all time highs. I didn't trade gold at all last week because of this range, I didn't want to trade. I didn't want to trade anywhere inside this range. So last week, I didn't trade gold at all. Gold suck right now. Yeah, I didn't trade gold at all last week. Then we had a breakout here. Um, Eventually gave us that breakout, but this breakout wasn't like my kind of breakout. This was outside of session for me. Yeah, this breakout happened outside of session, so I wasn't able to catch this. Then by the time we came into fucking London session again, like it was just too late for me, and shit just kept running. Then I had this breakout from yesterday, as well. Let's. I think I sent it in my server. Where's gold? Go. EJ, GJ, USD CAD, EJ. Here it was right here. Where's that? Might have some gold bars here. Yeah, that was this slow move right here for these gold bars. That was this down here. I literally just missed it though. Shit played out nice as fuck though. That was this idea. But then gold just been flying. It like looking at gold, we consolidated here for hella long. When it's consolidating, I don't trade that pair. I just trade something else like from our watch list. So during this whole consolidation period, I was avoiding hella losses or hella break evens because it's just consolidating. And finally got a breakout continuation. But like if I go even more further back, consolidated for a long time, big breakout. Consolidated for a very long time, big breakout. Consolidated again, not for a long time though. This was like from the end of the week last week to the beginning of the week this week. Consolidated breakout. So these breakouts been massive. These been massive big breakouts. So I think if gold pulls back down into this area, and I take buys, and I could take the buys back up into this high up here, and it start to consolidate again inside this range, I would be expecting another big breakout here. That's literally just what it's been doing. The consolidation periods be long. Like we had a long consolidation period from here. This was from February 19th to February 25th. This consolidation here. That's a 6-day consolidation. Then a breakout to the downside. Over here, March 4th until March 12th. 8 days of consolidation. Big breakout. Then here we have March 13th to March 17th. 4 days of consolidation. Big breakout. So I do think it's going to consolidate here as well. But inside this, before the consolidation starts, I could catch the bottom of the range to trade it back to the top. I like that idea. See now, this is key for GA here, because I went to sell at this rejection here. Another added confirmation for my sells to be high probability for the simple fact that what we aggressively pushed up here, as you can see on this hourly candle. Hourly bullish engulfing aggression. This is aggressive buying pressure. Aggressive buyers, right? Tapping into this level. Once we tap, drop, looking back at the lower time frame, the all aggression is starting to slow down. Now you're starting to see more bearish candles and price starting to slowly make its way back down. Let me know that we might have a higher time frame rejection wick for the higher time frames to start to make its way back down. But at the start, as you can see at the start, just straight aggression. Same thing here. Price aggressively pushed down. Bunch of bearish candles started to consolidate and then make its way back up. So I'm expecting this kind of reaction to happen up here. Price aggressively pushed up on a lower time frame. Price aggressively pushed up, consolidate at this major level. As you see, we have previous support here. So I'm expecting some consolidation here. Then starts to make its way back down, getting me in at this area. Then I can look to trade it all the way back down. That's the plan. But it's looking good so far. I like how we starting to slow down here. I think it do the drop and then make a big push to the average true ATH. Is that average true high? 31 all time high. There we go. All time high 3100 on gold. No, yeah, I definitely could see gold hitting 3200 for sure, for sure. But I think we're gonna have another consolidation before we get there. Before we get another big push, because it's already at all time highs. Looking on the monthly time frame, gold is at 3K. Gold never even been at 3K, so it's technically already at all time high. But I think before we can have another big aggressive move, I think we're gonna consolidate again. Basically, where's that one tool at? Ghost feet, here we go. Actually, not ghost feet. Bars pattern. Alright, I'm expecting something like this to happen here, but inverted. So let's flip it. Something like this to happen right here. Literally damn near identical. Aggressive push, reached a high, pull back to a low, pull back to this previous level, and it started to consolidate. Same thing here. Aggressive push, reached the high, pull back to the low, and start to consolidate. I'm expecting something like that to happen. Alright, so I'm gonna set a sell stop here. Sell stop, 30 pip stop loss. I don't even have to do 30 pip stop loss. I could do a tighter stop loss, 30 pips, to be honest. I really could go 25. We could do 25. That'll be above the hourly high as well. So we're gonna do 25 pip stop loss. We don't need 30. We're gonna do 25 pip TP1, and we're gonna set a sell stop. And our entry is gonna be 23.77. It's a little bit early. So yeah, we're gonna set a sell stop here. We're gonna do 25 pip stop loss. So on this $100 account that I'm doing an account flip on, I'm actually doing a small account flip. So on this $100 account, 25 stop loss on GA, I want to risk $30. So let's go to pip calculator. GBP AUD. That's what I'm trading, right? GA. Oh, wait, not lot size. Pip amount. 25 pip stop loss. Let's go to 0.10. Okay, no, we need more than that. 0.20. It's $30. Let's do 0.19. 0.19. 0.18. Okay, we're gonna do 0.19 for lot size. So 0.19. GBP AUD. New order. Sell stop. Copy. Actually, no, I don't want to get in at this number. Even though it's round and like a round psychological number, I like the fact that the way that looks. But I don't want to get put in too early and never end up breaking this low. So I want to actually. All right, I got two possibilities here. Now this is where professionals are made. I can wait to this hourly. Nah, yeah, I'm not even gonna think about the other opportunity. Cause the other opportunity does look good on paper, but I'll be mad if I take the other opportunity and lose it, knowing I should have just waited till we came all the way down here. Because I low-key could get in here. But, again, I covered that already, and it made more sense to get in here. It's a lot more conservative. So, we're going to set this sell stop. Copy, paste. And we're going to do 25 pip stop loss. Copy. Paste. And I said 0.19 for lots. Place order. This account started at $100, is at 170 now. This trade will be 100% double. So from 100 to 200 if this trade wins. Let's go 25 pip TP1. And 50 pip TP2. And this hourly candle looks great. And we're just gonna look to target this support down here for 1 to 2.7. Cool. I like that. I like this overall trade. All right, let me send all of this to my VIP. Hey, you getting this VIP trade for the free ski. Copy. This was TP1. I can't even type. I'm actually copy. was about to say I'm gonna send this in my free Discord server as well, but not yet, cause I might get a better entry. I might get a better entry. If this, if we come up and re-break this highs, I'm gonna get an better entry. I'm gonna get an entry up here instead of down here, and I'll get a better risk to reward. But that's if we check out this wick up here. Because if we check out this wick, my stop loss is invalid. Because my stop loss got to be in the area that price hasn't touched yet. So if price goes above this area, technically price touched my stop loss. So I'll have to adjust my stop loss. But if we re-break this high up here, that will confirm this to be a new higher low, or my most recent higher low, instead of using this higher low, and I could get this entry and have a stop loss up here where price hasn't touched yet. So if we take out this high, I'm just going to trail my sell stop from here and put it up here and adjust my stop loss accordingly. Still going to be 25 pips though. Look at the 4 hour. We got 2 hours left for the 4 hour candle. 4 hours currently bullish. So I'll be selling. My sell will still mean, if I do get to sell, 4 hour will still be bearish. But as we hit TP1, as prices drop going in my favor, the 4 hour will be flipping bearish, breaking its own low, giving it more momentum to drive down further. Yeah, so looking on a 1 minute instead of the 5 minute for entry reference, you have higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Price could push up, take out this high. If that does happen, then I'll just go from entry over here to an entry right here. Give me a better entry and a better risk to reward for downside potential. But I can't do that until this gets taken out first. If we never break above this wick and price just starts to come back down from here, then I'm still comfortable getting that entry. Either way works fine for me. In the meantime, I'm gonna play some chess while I wait. And kick my feet up. It's 7. That means the hourly candle just closed bullish. So we could use this previous hourly low as an entry. Still fine. You're going, why you leaving so soon? I'm so special for you. What is love if you're not here with me? What is love if I'm not guaranteed? What is love? It started when we were younger. You were mine, my boo. All right, we're gonna chill our buy stop or sell stop to here. And we're gonna use it as a 1 minute setup. So let's delete the first position. Copy this price. New order. Sell stop. Control V, paste. And 25 pip stop loss. Paste. Let's update. Looking at it on the 1 minute now as a 1 minute setup. Higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, relatively equal highs. Then we're going to take out this low and this low for entry. Then I have stop loss above the highs, but I gave my trade some rhythm. I could do a tighter stop loss like this, but I don't want to get too tight for it to just re-break another high and then push down. So instead, I'll be a little bit more conservative on this one and just have the 25 pip stop loss. That's totally fine. And then my entry will be below the current hourly candles low and below the the current hourly candles low. So just getting a slightly higher entry This will be my TP2. 250. 250. 25 pips. This is my TP1. Then below that, we have an overall TP for 1 to 3. All the way down here. Alright. So I set it on this account. Now let me open up a new tab for my other accounts, for my funded account. But I'm not going to show that one on the screen. Because last time I did that, I got cooked. Not on the trade, but I got hacked and lost that account for some odd fucking reason. So not making that mistake again. Let's see. What is this? GBP, AUD, entry, copy, pending order, paste, stop loss, 25 pips. $2.03760. the sun up yet, man? Damn, that shit up. What kind of dumbass question is that? 7:30. I just asked what's the sun up. Sun up. wrong so many times. Don't know what to believe. I wanted to cry, but I was too afraid to open. Praying one day I'll piece of. Staring at the ceiling, trying not to get in my feelings.
just so happened that's Tarkanian's son. He says, I'm looking at you, Ray Boston, and Rich Parker. And at the time, we was like the hottest dudes in the tournament. We get you 3 guys. We're supposed to go to Fresno City, then from there go to Fresno State. But at that time, I was caught up in the streets. Like, so what I do, Tarkanian sends me the plane ticket. I take the plane ticket and try to cash it in. I goes upstate to Sullivan Community College, which is an hour and a half away. Therefore, I can still come back to the hood. See, if I go out to Cali, I'm thinking at 19, he gonna make me grind, make me play D. I like New York, and New York let me get away with everything. They like me for what I am. I don't gotta work. And I was lazy at the time. I had a guy that was paying me, I can't say his name, was just hitting me and my boys off just for playing with him in the summer. It's wintertime, it ain't no games, he's still hitting us off. So you know how that is? Got a new chain, I'm in all the parties, all the rappers know me. See? I just mess most of my time up. Listening to everybody tell me, you better than George. You nice. I don't gotta go to school, I'm nice. I'm gonna do this better. Then when you get 24, it ain't funny no more. You know what I'm saying? Guys acting out, you're supposed to make the league since you were 17. What's up? Now it ain't funny no more. See what I'm saying? If you ain't strong yourself, it's a lost cause. I take my hat off to Skip for that. He's seen a bigger picture. Me, I'm standing around there, hanging around, drinking all day, smoking weed, whatever. Rafer goes to Fresno State. Rafer's on ESPN, getting double-double. From there, Rafer gets drafted to Milwaukee Bucks. I called Tarkanian for a recommendation. I can't get in contact with him. That's karma kicking you in your right there. You understand what I'm saying? No matter how good they telling me I am, no matter how much I work, I don't have no resume. And it came from that choice that I made. You know what I'm saying? A lot of guys say, yeah, I don't want Rafer. They making 400 million. Yeah. That's all I got right now is about 19. Said it last week, but I'm going to say it again. This is one of the best monitors in the world. BenQ's.
No confirmation, no trade. No confirmation, no trade.
high above here. Unfortunately, we ended up getting stopped at this candle with a $350 loss. The second trade was another long, but on ES. After this key SMT was formed on the lows, I went 5 micros long at this 5-minute fair value gap. I partialed at this high over here, took 2 off, and then I took the rest off at this high, at this candle. Beautiful trade, secured $875 in profit, which was also a 2.5 RR trade. I hope you...
Am I tripping? Alright, as y'all can see, my buy stop just got activated. Setup is looking nice. As I said before, I wanted to look for a rejection off of this area. Tap into the fib level. Basically, just use the 5-minute time frame for entries. As you can see on this retest, we actually have some structure here. So as you can see, we have higher highs and higher lows forming as price pushed up. We have a new high over here. Price is now giving us a market structure shift, taking out this low and this low and this low as well. So I'm triggered in this position now at this point. Risking 1%. Stop loss is above this high with a little bit of buffer. So about 25 pip stop loss with a 25 pip TP1, a 50 pip TP2, and a 75 pip for overall TP3. Targeting these lows all the way down here to the left hand side at this major key level of support here and resistance here. So we're gonna hold this trade and see how the rest of the trade plays out. We're aggressively pushing down once we had that market structure shift. This candle is very, very, very aggressive. This 1 5-minute candle is extremely aggressive coming up into this 1 hour close. And as I said, oh my God, I can't make this up. I literally called everything out play by play. I'm gonna make a video out of this because I called it out play by play. As you see in the Discord, I said break and retest, not the Discord, my VIP. I said break and retest on a major key level that also lines up with a fib level. My entry would be based on a market structure shift on a 5-minute time frame that lines up with the current 1 hour candle low. If I don't get triggered on this current hourly low, then my entry still lines up with the previous hourly low, speaking as a future reference. I also said if I don't get entry triggered on the first one, and I get triggered and I adjust my stop loss, my sell stop, I get triggered on the second one. The second hourly candle will end up triggering me in, pushing deep in profit, and close with a 1 hour bearish engulfing. I literally called that shit to the fucking T. And what do we have here? A triggered entry right over here, breaking the previous hourly low and closing with a 1 hour bearish engulfing deep in profit. This is about to be a nice trade. I literally called it out play by fucking play. Holy shit. I cooked this one up. Like I literally cooked this up. But let me not get too big headed because that shit could pull back and just clap my shit up right now. Like actually. I don't waste my time, until you put my pride aside and give it all to you. Put my pride aside. Girl, I don't waste. I won't waste my time when it comes to you. No. Took this 4 hour. 1 hour less than 4 hour candle. I want to hit TP1 before this 4 hour close. I'm not gonna lie. I won't waste my time when it comes to you. To you. Let's look at the 5 minute now. Bro, so nice. 30 minute, 50 minute, 30 minute. We under the EMA on our 50 and 30 minute, 15 minute and 30 minute as well. This is nice. I like this setup. Even when the sun don't shine, I got faith in you and I. But they never brought it up. I'm down these days. Down to do better. Should've know I done enough. You should lay it down. Talk about it when you up. Oh shit, I'm not even in the frame no more. I'm cooked. I'll get my other monitor. I wish that we can change. Don't want no boo boo. I take time, yeah. Let's go build a light without me, cause you're my husband. And I don't wanna go unless you make me. Speak not now or forever hold your peace. I know that you fiend for that. I know that you did not forget. So don't go to sleep. If you don't wanna go to sleep, she angry. No, this ain't me. Bro, why does retracement so deep, bro? Fuck. Make you mine for a little. You should let me break your spine just a little. I will never trust a bitch. Every day I reminisce. But smell like fish, marijuana, winter drama. I do what I wanna. I was posted with piranhas. The guy heard you freaky. Maybe you should teach me. What you, I know niggas did you wrong. They said you can call my phone when you need me. Hit me when you need me. I swear they got them greedy. Cause niggas like to talk shit.
people who live in it are foreigners that were brought there by blacks as slaves, not one single country. Yet the black race has more countries on earth than any other country. 54 are on the continent. 13 black countries in the Caribbean. So 68 black countries. There's not a single black country where slaves were bought from outside by black people. I've traveled the world. Not a single country in the world colonized by a black country. There's nowhere you go on Mother Earth where the language they are speaking was imposed on them by force by a black country. I've traveled the world and I've never seen a religion that is imposed upon anybody anywhere in this world by a black country. The 68 black countries in the world, the largest continent by number of countries, not a single one of them has a nuclear weapon of mass destruction. Black countries across the world, none of them is responsible for what we call the military complex, where we are manufacturing dirty bombs and sending things into the water to pollute people. I've traveled the world and I'm yet to see one product that was forced to be sold in another country by a black country. So it means the black race is the only race on earth that represents what the United Nations have been looking for the last 100 years, peace.
Hey bro, your car lift looks awesome.
Ah, thanks. I got this lift off Temu at a huge discount during their clearance sale.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Hey son, you gotta hold your follow through. Hold your follow through.
His follow through is fine.
Listen, if you got good form, but you can't make shots in a game consistently, try these drills out.
Step 1, you need to find a training partner that's going to shoot with you all off season. So tag him in the comments or send him this video. The first drill you're going to do are 90-degree turns with the closeout. As soon as the offense flips their hips, the defense can release and close out. We got to get better at speeding up our shot and shooting under pressure. The second drill is very similar. We're going to do 180 turns with the closeout. Your back is fully turned to the defender. As soon as you move, the defender can close out. You have to shoot the ball in all of these drills. No pump fakes and nothing off the dribble. Again, you already have good mechanics. What you need to do is work on shooting in a game or game situation. The third drill, you're going to come off a handoff from your partner. Then your partner is going to turn into a defender and trail behind. You are allowed to take dribbles here, but everything has to be a shot. So that means no layups and no flow. The fourth drill, the offensive player is going to toss the ball out and then sprint and touch a chair. As soon as the offensive player tosses it, the defensive player also has to sprint and touch that chair and then get into a closeout. This was one of my favorite drills that we've ever tried. Tag somebody in the comments that you want to try these with or send them this video.
And to the girl that said if you need a car, call the impound lots and get the auction information, and you can get something for under $1,000. Thank you. I just found 3 lots. One of them was a typical over 1,000, but the other under 1,000. Yeah, I'm going to give me a bucket. A bucket, you hear me? Under 1,000, like back in the days. Because why did I see a car that was like 1980 something being sold for 5,000? Make it make sense.
Which one? I got $10 and $15. This. Oh no, that's the $10 scale.
That's the $10 scale?
Yeah.
How much is the $15 scale?
The what?
How much is the $15 scale?
How many you want?
I want one.
Which one?
The $15 scale.
You want $15 scale?
And I'm saying how much is the $15 scale?
Bitch, it's 15. What the fuck you mean? Is how much $15 scale?
How much? How
Okay.
much
Okay.
is the $15 scale? Hey, shut up, I'm trying.
Which one? I got $10 and $15. This. Oh no, that's the $10 scale.
That's the $10 scale?
Yeah.
How much is it?
Don't you love when furniture is
Parking sign. This is Race Street. This is Race Street. I'm not sure what that is. 7-Eleven. This might be Broad Street right here, if I'm not mistaken. But I know for sure this is Race Street. Where I'm at. Jefferson out right there. It's $20 in. $20 in there. Come get it. If you want it, anybody come get it.
Y'all, why I made this boy food and there was a roach on his motherfucking burrito. And the crazy part is that he didn't even notice it. I'm so pissed off. And first of all, I'm pissed off that the audio didn't even record. But yeah, y'all. So I had cooked for my coworker because he said he was hungry. Plus, I got a lot of money in food stamps. So I was like, yo, come by. I'm gonna make some food for you. I got you. I'm gonna make you a nice little chicken burrito or whatever. Yo, I was tired when I realized there was a whole roach on there. Mad embarrassing. But boy, when I tell y'all, he was busting that. Yo, he was busting that burrito down. Boy was starving. He was a little suspicious because he was like, what's wrong with you, Strat? But like, yeah, he didn't even notice. But anyways, y'all, let me know if you want me to do another video.
It is 20 times 20.
20 times 20. That's 40.
That's not correct.
Wait, I thought it is, because 2 times 2 is definitely...
20 plus 20 is 40.
Oh, 20... 20... Wait, but that's just what I said. 20 plus 20 is 40.
I said, what's 20 times 20?
Oh, 20 times 20. Yeah. 20 plus 20. Okay, 20 times 20 is 20. 20 times 20 is... I should count by 20s. So if I had 2 times 2, better yet, I need to look it up to see, because I definitely knew this before.
That's cheating, Cabella.
It's cheating? Oh. Whoops. Never mind. I shouldn't. Anyways, back to the question you're asking. 20 times 20, huh? I said it's 40 because it isn't correct, but it's getting there. So if I add another 0 to the 40, then that would make it 400. So 20 times 20 is 400.
Wow, we came up with that.
I definitely thought of it because when I said 20 times 20 is 40, and we all know it wasn't correct, I forgot to remember to add the 0 to the 40, making it 400.
That is 20 times 20.
20 times 20, that's 40.
That's not correct.
Wait, I thought it is, because 2 times 2 is definitely...
20 plus 20 is 40.
Oh,
20 plus 20 is give you the day off. And
I don't think this is working anymore.
What do you mean? Oh, you're probably on a 1 minute time frame, which is looking a little bit bearish, but scale out to the time frame alignment.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Nah, it's...
I don't think this is working anymore.
What do you mean? Oh, you're probably on a 1 minute time frame, which is looking a little bit bearish, but scale out to the 4 hour. We're obviously bullish. Come on, bruh. Time frame alignment.
This is exactly what I'm talking about.
Nah, it's because you don't join my lives.
I don't think this is working.
This is Onyx.
Yo, real quick, on God, I think I got like literally like 60% of the city of Philly standing behind me. Real shit. Like, if you from Philly, drop Philly in the comments. On God, my city with me. And I only been going.
I'm not a birthday boy. I'm a birthday boy. I'm a mother.
Do you think I'm a birthday boy? I'm not a birthday boy, but the birthday boy's uncle.
I'm not a birthday
am a birthday. I'm a birthday boy. I'm a boy. I'm a boy. I'm a birthday boy's aunt.
I'm not a birthday boy. I'm a birthday boy's my cousin.
I'm not the birthday boy. I'm the birthday boy's brother. Brother, sister.
TB1 hit chat. Let's go. Come on. First day back on the live stream. TB1. Easy. No kidding. I can't pin you. What's going on in that beautiful mind? I'm your magical mystery. How many times do I have to tell you? Even when you're crying, you're beautiful too. The world is beating you down. I'm around for every move. You're my downfall. You're my muse. My worst distraction. My rhythm and blues. I'm singing this, ringing in my head for you. My head's underwater, but I'm breathing fine. You're crazy and I'm out of my mind. 'Cause all of me, your curves and all your edges, all your perfect imperfection. You give your all to me, I give my all to you. You're my end and my beginning. Even when I lose, I'm winning. 'Cause I give you. My cards are on the table, we're both showing heart. Risking it all, though it's hard. All your perfect imperfection. You give your all to me, I give my all to you. They still in this call, bro? They gotta be sleeping now. Actually, we're gonna call it here. Let's wrap this up, bro. I don't feel like sitting here no more, to be honest. We're gonna close it here just to cross that $200 mark. Okay, started this account off at $100. Now it's at $200. So we're good there. And we chilling, bro. Chilling. I'm gonna wrap it up here, bro. It's your boy Traderholic, and I'm out, bro. No cap. Peace. W's in the chat.